Hello guys, this is me Bharati Kanan. In this video, I am going to share my experience about TCS NQT 2026. I attended exam 2 days before, which is 14th April 2026, and I received admit card on 11th April, which is around 3 days before my examination. This is the thing, and then what are the things you should do? The first thing, you should paste your photograph here. They mentioned paste your photograph, and some of people might think, should I paste it before the examination or should I paste in front of the invalidator? So you need to paste your photograph in this place, and then you don't need to sign. They clearly mentioned you need to sign in front of the staff, so don't put signature on this in this place. And then one more thing, you need to sign in this place before enter the examination. They won't care about that. And this is the thing, what are the things happened to me. So I reached 2 hours before for my exam, because I'm shifted to on that day, so I reached the examination 2 hours before. And then around 1:20 or something, around 1 o'clock, I went outside. Noticed some of the students are standing in the line for security verification. In that security verification, the security clearly said don't wear any of the accessories, and then put your mobile phone on your bag. Please switch off the mobile phone. These things are happened in my initial security verification. Then I joined to that line. After that, there are around 3 stops are the sit are under the tree, and they verified our admit card, and on the along with the government ID proof. They verified date of birth and names. Then they put the seal on the admit card. After that, this verification, you need to go to the exam hall. In the exam hall, there were a security. They using the metal detector to check us. So they also clearly mentioned don't wear any of the accessories, don't wear watches, and then just carry your admit card, pen, and a government ID proof. This is the thing I carried. And also they clearly mentioned don't put a water bottle in with you, because the staffs all provided the waters in the examination hall. So this is the thing happened to me. After that I entered the examination hall, which is the lab. I attended in the Trichy, so which is the lab. The lab has so many staffs. They guide me to sit in there, and also they allocate a system for me. After the verification, they allocate system for me. When you sit in front of the system, you need to verify the system display your name or someone else, or else the system display the current exact your admit card number, which is register number, which is present in this here. The system looks like this. Before you need to login using your credential. So you need to put and also the placeholder have your register number. You don't need to put your register number. You need to put your password. The password is your roll number is the password for you. Every person have a different roll number, unique roll number, so you need to enter roll number for the password. This is the thing. After you enter the roll number and register number, you need to capture your picture using the webcam. They provide the webcam also, and also you need to submit your picture also. After that, the screens will look like this. This is the actual screens. They have around 6 tags in the top. Each tag have a separate timer, so you can't submit the exam before the timer in. This is the thing, and the timer will auto submit, so you no need to worry about if I didn't submit the question, will it affect or not. So there is no negative mark. It also auto submit the questions. This is the thing. Each question have some of the particular time. They clearly mentioned in the website. So this is the duration for the each block. And also one more thing is you need to know, not all the questions are MCQ. if you take a one session in, for example, numerical ability, around 2 questions will be the fill in the blanks. You need to type the answer. This is the thing you need to understand. And balance questions also, the MCQ questions, and then the question stats also here. It shows how many questions you submitted, how many questions you not answered. Like these stats are presented here, and also timer is running here, and also you have the on-screen calculator, so don't worry about that. Then your picture is presented here, and then stats about the question also have. In this place you can't submit. Whenever you drag the mouse here, the button is disabled, you can't submit. The actual questions are present there. After completing the numerical, you won't enter the numerical. If you completed the numerical session, then you can't go to the numerical session, and then if you are present in the verbal, you can't direct go to the reasoning. So it have the particular time, and also it have particular time. The time is fixed now. This is happening for this four part. After that you will enter into the coding part. In the coding part, they have only 5 languages: C++, C, Java, Python, and Perl. If you are a JavaScript developer, don't rely on the JavaScript. You need to understand Python or Java as well. One more thing, you need to before planning to read coding question, you need to understand, you need to learn how to take an input from your convenient languages. For Python, you have to write something like n equal to input. This is the main thing. There is no boilerplate on the coding. They provided empty compiler something, so you need to type from the scratch. This is the thing. And then coming back to test cases, there is 7 test cases are there. 2 test cases public, and then 5 test cases are private test cases. This is the thing. The public test case means you can see the output and expected output and both input. This is the thing. Private test case means you can't see the input or output. Your code will be evaluated against them automatically. So even if your code works public test case, it should be also handle all the test case passed to the private test case. This is the thing. And then I can say one little hack here. If you can't submit, if you can't understand the problem, you may see 2 test cases. So using the if else condition, so then using if else condition, you can easily accept 2 test cases. This is a hack, or this is a trick. If you can't solve the problem, if you can't understand the problem, you can do it in the last 5 minutes. So this is the thing you need to do. You need to understand. This is about my experience about the TCS NQT. After that, all the time around 190 minutes end, you need to submit the feedback about the examination, about the exam hall. This is the thing. That's all about my experience. If you have any doubts or regarding to the TCS, you can comment it. I will definitely answer for your queries. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Tata.